Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. What is going on, Docs gang? How we doing? Are you good? I hope you are. I'm doing lovely. Today we're gonna be doing a beat that has been requested several times before. We're gonna be doing a boom bap type beat. Never done one before, but I'm pretty excited to do one. I do enjoy it. Or I used to enjoy Joey Badass a lot, so this should be very fun. I got some samples from Looperman, so we're gonna be using some of those. And I think I already know which one I'm gonna choose, but I'm still gonna look through them. I got a new drum kit for boom bap beats so that my boom bap beat doesn't sound like a Southside type beat. And yeah, let's just get into it. All right, so here we have 5 different samples. I'm just gonna go through some of them. I mean, I really want this one. Like, come on, that is fire. I want that so bad. There's also, it's like lo-fi. Oh, this one's nice too. I don't know, should I do this one?
6.5 hours later.
Alright, do I want to put this in Edison or no? I don't think I need to. I think it needs to be a little faster. Let's try 91, because I think boom bap beats are slower. No, I do know. They are slower, so let's try like 91 BPM, see what that's like. Actually, I want the speed of the actual sample, so let's bring that up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is real quick, I'm gonna trim, okay, so there's a weird like stoppage, so like there's like some gap in between that just makes it pause for a second, so I'm gonna get rid of that. Let me see if trim works. Yeah, trim works. Alright, I'm just gonna trim it. I was gonna edit it in Edison, but that's not necessary thanks to trimming. Alright. Perfect. See, so that just makes it like the perfect loop. So like when you use this trim thing, if there's ever like a weird white noise and it stops and then plays again, use this trim thing to get rid of that. So quick tip. All right, let's so basically this first part right here is really what I want. I don't want the whole thing because it's just kind of long. It's just like, yeah, let me loop this first half for a second. Hold on a second, not that. Okay, so what I want is actually this part, I think. Okay, something like that. I don't know. Alright, cool. So we're probably just gonna work. Oh, whoops! Don't do that, please. I don't know why that's not stretched. Can I stretch this a little bit more, please? Can we? No. All right, you wanna piss me off? All right. All right. Let's go to the drums now. I'm gonna go to my J Dilla. I was also gonna use, if I can find anything I liked, I was gonna use my lo-fi drum kit because I mean lo-fi and boom bap are, you know, hand in hand. Like the drums, they're the same basically. Just add this to the drum pattern or whatever. Drums go here and then freaking oh wait. They have to be, I think they have to be like, see, this is what happens when you only do trap. Make boom bap type beat. Alright, you know what? Screw the hi-hats. We're just gonna do the freaking drum snare. Alright, let's try this snare. I feel like this loop is not where it's supposed to be. Alright, this is what I want, okay? We're gonna get this part. Get rid of this. I forgot. I should have done this before. I don't know why I didn't do this. Because this is not... Alright, perfect. Alright, if this could just loop like this. This is, yeah. This is what I need. I need this part. Now, since it's weird and it's off beat, because if I just put the snare down, it's just gonna sound mad weird, I think. Yeah, exactly. So we need to stretch this. Maybe speed it up. Oh, no. Stretch. Alright, let's bring this here. Not like that. Like this. Alright, this is what I'm talking back. Alright, will the hi-hats work for me now? Let's see what happens when I do two-step. Okay, that's way too fast. We're not doing trap. Let's do four-step. There we go. Alright, where's the... Alright, let's actually get a kick. Alright, now we're gonna go back to the sample again, okay? I need to do something else with the sample, okay? Because this is one part in the sample that I really like. There's a part where it switches up, and yeah, we're gonna use that part. So I don't want it, because I don't want the beat to be too repetitive, you know what I'm saying? We wanna like switch it up and add some more switch up. So let's go back to the original one. It's the Joey Badass one. So let's just listen to the original one. I just wanna look for the part that I want, and yeah. Right there. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it was at... Oh my god. Relax. Alright, so I'm pretty sure it was at... Like, here? Was it? Yeah, right there. So like... Oh my god, what the hell is it duplicating? Alright, Alright, perfect. Alright, so we're just gonna get rid of this part and see what it sounds like when I loop it real quick. See that? Perfect. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, now let's stretch this so it's perfectly fit to the BPM and not, please don't. Oh my god. Alright, fine. I mean, the rest of them are like that, so I guess it doesn't really matter. What the Alright, let's calm down because I know this is already... Oh, I know what I need to do. Hold on a sec. Let's chill out with that real quick. Let me not stretch it yet, because when I stretched it, it kind of messed up the other ones because I didn't make it unique. Because it's the same loop. So what we're going to do now is actually make it unique so that it doesn't affect the other loops. Then we're going to stretch it to fit whatever we need to fit. And then we're going to do this. And then that should work, I think. I'm going to just put it here and see how it sounds for now. Start from here. Alright. All right, perfect. But I want to switch this over. Speed this up just a little bit. And guys, I know boom bap. First of all, I know boom bap's not 171, but the beat or the sample is forcing me to put it up that high because of the way I stretched it. So that's why it's at 172 right now, or what? Yeah, 172. So yeah, I mean, but it doesn't matter, honestly. That's too fast. See, I know what's too fast and what isn't. So. Alright, now all I need is the sub bass, or like the bass instrument or whatever. So I'm thinking of using Omnisphere for that, and I'm also thinking of using Citrus. So, because I don't know really which, I don't really have like one in my drum kit, so I'm just gonna look for a VST sub bass. So let's. Alright, let's look out of these. Actually, we want to make that a little faster. Hold on a second. Let's try that. See if this will work. Yeah, that's what I want. All right, cool. Just gotta do something. Let's try that with the whole beat. All right, this is good. This is very good. Yo! Yo, guys, look, listen. All right, we got something. All right, look. So basically, what happened was, well, actually, I mean, you know what? I'm not gonna just do my whole recounting thing. You already saw it. It's fire right now. I'm just gonna mix it and stuff, and then yeah. All right, mixing is done. Time to arrange. All right, there you have it. There's my boom bap type beat. I thought it turned out amazing. I didn't think it was gonna turn out that nicely. Let me know what you guys thought for my first boom bap beat. I thought it was nice. Leave a comment in the comment section below. You know what I'm saying? Leave a like, of course. Once you leave a like, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and all that stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see y'all later.